Hi guys, welcome to another Snazzy Foods video where we make cooking simple. Today we're going to be making a cheesecake. We're going to start with the topping. I've got here 250 grams of blueberries which has been washed. We've got some water, lemon juice and sugar. In a pot on medium heat, we'll add in our blueberries, a cup of water, a cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. We're going to let this cook down now until we reach an almost jam-like consistency. Remember to stir regularly, and as it gets thicker, make sure that it doesn't scorch. There we have our berries starting to cook. Okay, so we've got the topping off on the side, busy cooking off slowly. We're going to start making the base. For that, I have 2 packets of coconut tea time biscuits, 150 grams of melted butter, a baking pan with some baking paper, and a bowl to mix it all in. To start with, we empty the tea time biscuits into a bag. It's good to use a Ziploc bag so that we don't have any mess. The biscuits are nice and finely crushed. We're going to be adding that to the bowl with the butter. The melted butter. You want to try and get all of the crumb coated with the butter because that will help it bind together. Let's empty our crumb mix into the pan. Spread it out so that we get an even thickness. And using the back of a spoon, you can just press it to compact it. Okay, so that is my base all pressed in. Nice and firm. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. See you in a bit. Okay, now for the main part of the cheesecake, the cream cheese center. For that we have 250 ml of fresh cream, 230 grams of cream cheese, a quarter cup of lemon juice, 12 grams of gelatin which we will dissolve in some boiling water, and a tin or 390 grams of condensed milk. To start with, we'll take our fresh cream and add it to a bowl. And then we whisk it. Start off slow so it does not splash everywhere. We're going to whisk until the cream is nice and thick and it forms little peaks. That's the consistency we're looking for. Nice and firm. Remember not to over whip your cream as well. Okay, so we set the fresh cream aside. We now get started on the cream cheese. To the cream cheese, I'm going to add in the quarter cup of lemon juice, And using our whisker again, we're going to whisk this to a smooth consistency. So there we have our cream cheese. To this, I'm now going to add in the condensed milk. Now we'll just whisk it again to a smooth consistency. Once your condensed milk is mixed well into the cream cheese, I now take the fresh cream that we whipped and fold it into that mixture. Okay, so we just continue to fold this in. What I have also done is I've taken the gelatin and mixed it with some hot water. It seems to be mixed nice and smooth. We don't have any lumps. Okay, so now we're ready to add in the gelatin. Add that in and mix it well again. Okay, that is done. I've got the base back from the fridge. We can then pour the mixture in on top of the base. Take this now and put it in the fridge to set until firm, which should be a few hours or overnight. Hi guys, welcome back. So yesterday we made our cheesecake. I've left it overnight in the fridge to set, and there we go. So now we're going to put on the topping. I'm just going to put it onto a plate. Okay, so now for our topping. And then we have our blueberry cheesecake. Would you like some? Really, really good. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And remember, if I can do it, so can you. See you again in the next video.